Okay, let's continue with configuring our colors. So what we are going to do, we're just going to go back to our application. Okay, as you can see, this is where we are. And what we want to do, we want to go to our global CSS. Okay, we want to make sure that we define all these classes. We've got wall primary. Whenever we want to use a primary color wall primary, we are going to use this class. Switching will happen here automatically. Let's say for some reason after 2 weeks we have changed our mind. We don't really have to go into each and every component changing colors. We're just going to change the colors here. So let's continue with these. So now we are going to continue and do wall tertiary. Okay, wall tertiary. Okay, and then at apply, apologies about that, at apply bg wall light tertiary, and on dark, no space, wall dark tertiary. Okay, wall dark tertiary. We are done with the wall part. Okay, let's format this. Okay, default format, prettier. Okay, I'm happy with this. So now that we are done with this, we are done with the wall. I think we need to configure the text. Okay, text primary, when we want a text primary. Okay, so text primary is going to be, my apologies about this, at apply. Okay, text primary, it's going to be text, and then the actual color, it's going to be text. Let's see, now I forgot. Okay, it's going to be, this is text primary, so that means it has to be light. Okay, because we are assuming by default we are on the light mode, so we need text primary light. Okay, yes, so that means text primary light is going to be black by default. Makes sense. Okay, and then when we are on dark, we want text. My apologies about this. We want text to be text. Now we don't want light, we want dark, which is going to be pure white. It makes sense. So on dark, the text is going to be white. On white, the text is going to be this dark. Okay, our own dark. I'm happy with this. So let's just continue with this pattern. Text sec. Okay, at apply. Okay, at apply, we want text light secondary, and then on dark we want text dark secondary. Okay, and then we can just copy this, go to tertiary. Okay, tertiary. My apologies about that. Okay, here we want text light tertiary, and here we want text dark tertiary, Okay, so as you can see, now we have configured our own colors. Okay, so let's just quickly test this. Okay, we've got wall primary, we've got wall secondary, and we've got wall tertiary. Okay, so let's change one of our squares here to be wall tertiary. Okay, let me just type here tet. Okay, and this is wall secondary, and I want wall tet. Okay, as you can see, I don't really have to take care much of the light and dark mode. Let's see what is the color of the tertiary square, okay, or component. As you can see, this tertiary, it's not necessarily the same as this one, okay. This is light and this is different, okay, as you can see. So let's look at the light mode, the dark mode. As you can see, this is not the same, okay. This is a little bit dark, and tet, it's a little bit lighter, okay. So as you can see, and then let's go to the text and test, okay. In terms of the text, we are going to have the primary text in our own way, this, and I'm going to put secondary and I'm going to put tertiary. So let's just go to the first square. Okay, let's just go to the first square. In terms of this text, I'm going to put a class name, and then I'm going to type text underscore. Okay, I think it's supposed to be underscore pri, so this is primary, okay. And then we want a secondary and tertiary, so this is secondary text, and this is going to be tertiary text. Okay, so this is tech pri and this is tech sec, okay, and this is supposed to be tech text tet, okay, and that is it. So as you can see, when we are giving colors or when we are coloring our own component, I don't really care much about the dark aspect of it because these classes will take care of that, okay. This has made my life very simple and it has improved my development time. So as you can see, guys, let's go back and see the effect. Okay, this is text primary, secondary, and tertiary. So as you can see, there is a difference in these. Let's see, what if maybe we switch the theme? Are these going to change to light? As you can see, guys, everything changes accordingly. Obviously, now you might not really see how different these are, but to me, I can see the difference. So what does this mean? This means that going forward, okay, going forward, we will never have to deal with light or dark, dark or light in terms of our colors. And also, we've got one source of truth when it comes to the colors, and that source of truth is this one. Okay, so if you want to change something, we might just come here and change it. Thank you so much for making it this far. See you on the next video.